And I know it
Hindi, natulog na ako. Pinabukasan. Balita naman, pinagugulpi ko siya.
Nabigla ako kinabukas.
They push me hard. Been ahead of our choking on. People beside, I know what they and they had me go. And all the things in the show. It's at the last of better part. It's at the late the magnet star. It is why the specialists that I miss. Cause sweet little eyes just telling me to let me say something you to all the way comes with you. From PG and the man. Just me. When I know it's about you.
Si Franz, yung anak ko, napakabait nun. Yung kwento na pala nagagaling.
It just find the patience that I
Birthday
miss.
niya, sabi niya,
Cause we to the eye just telling me that let me say W to all the great cause it's you. Compete the end of the day. Send me. Tell me everything to say. When I know I got
marami
you.
nakakapit na kay Mrs.
With me.
Dibu ni Franz, 21.
Hello guys.
Napakabait na.
Good evening. Mag-concert din ako. Ang pangalan ko pala sa Papers PH.
Meron nga ako siyang kasama dito sa Paliba ko. Panalo sila. Wala siyang kasama.
Freestyle Riders
Madaming,
Club.
madaming, ano doon,
The Motovlog.
gigiliwan niya.
Bye-bye. So,
Sabi ko sa kanya,
see you soon.